Webb Devices Rescue Pole Assembly RP815. Webb Devices designs and fabricates quality fall protection products that comply with both OSHA and ANSI requirements. But if a fall occurs and a rescue is required, Webb Devices offers a unique rescue pole, which prevents the rescuer from becoming a second victim. The rescue pole, RP815, is designed to assist in the rescue of a fall victim suspended in a full-body harness. In short, the rescuer can reach the victim and connect to the harness and hoist with minimum risk to the rescuer. The Webb Devices Rescue Pole Assembly consists of an expandable 8 to 15-foot fiberglass pole, stainless steel hook assembly, 2 double-shiv high-strength non-corrosive swivel blocks, 100 feet of 7/16-inch Kermantle rope, 4-foot anchor sling with carabiner, and a stowage bag with laminated instruction sheet. Prior to use of the rescue pole, procedures for its use should be incorporated into your Fall Rescue Plan, or JSA, and all participants involved in the rescue process should be trained in the use of the rescue pole, with hands-on practice. Once the personnel are trained, store the rescue pole in a defined area per your plan or JSA so as to be ready for immediate use. To show the benefits of the rescue pole, we will simulate, through the use of some video magic, a fall and rescue of a derrick hand from the monkey board of a derrick. You should note that no personnel were put at risk while doing this simulation, and most of the footage came from groundside footage. We start with the derrick hand standing at a derrick edge of the monkey board, wearing a full-body harness and shock-absorbing lanyard connected to an anchor point. The derrick hand falls, which we simulate by dropping a test dummy with lanyard attached to the harness and anchor point. Note the position and swing radius of the test dummy. Pretty realistic. See how the test dummy was subjected to an extreme swing fall. If this would have been a real person, such a fall could have seriously injured the worker. This also demonstrates the importance of having the harness adjusted properly so that the shoulder straps cannot come off. Now let's let our derrick hand appear. At this moment, your fall rescue procedures kick in. Remember, this is our scenario, and it may not match yours, but this is a simulation. We need to find out if the victim is injured and aware. Let him know he will be all right, and we're going to get him down. Tell him to keep his legs and arms moving for good blood flow. While this is going on, a rescuer or rescuers will be alerted and bring the rescue pole to the location, or it may be stored in the doghouse for quick use. The rescue pole is attached to a winch line or other means and is hoisted to the monkey board while the rescuer climbs into position. But before approaching a derrick edge of the monkey board, the rescuer is wearing a full-body harness and must be secured to an anchor point with a lanyard or lifeline to prevent their potential for a fall themselves. The rescuer should let the fallen worker know that they are in position to implement a rescue. The worker should be told again to keep the legs moving to prevent a blood pooling effect. The rescuer removes the pole and rescue rope assembly from the bag, extends the pole, and attaches the block anchor sling to a suitable anchor point above the fallen worker and rescuer. With the extended pole, the rescuer reaches down, guiding the hook end to the worker's rear dorsal D-ring. When engaged, pull back on the pole sharply to close the hook latch. Note, if the victim is injured or unconscious, the D-ring will be in proper position for using the rescue pole. Lay the pole aside, secured, so that it will not fall or become a potential hazard. With both ends of the rescue rope, block and tackle attached, start hoisting the worker to remove the load on the lanyard. The end of the rescue rope can be wrapped around a secure handrail to tail it and improve hoisting. If the worker can be pulled up, leave the lanyard attached. If it is necessary to lower the worker, unhook or cut the lanyard. Of course, the procedure may be modified depending on circumstances and location. Post-rescue techniques must be performed. It is very important to immobilize the worker in an inclined or sitting position for normally 20 to 30 minutes while gradually loosening the leg straps. Standing or walking after being suspended in a harness is very dangerous. Gradually allow the victim to gain full mobility. Once you are sure the victim is okay, you need to inspect your rescue pole, blocks, and slings for damage, such as cracks or broken or bent parts. Inspect latches and carabiner and rescue hook for damage. Inspect the rope. If any damage is apparent, remove from service. This video demonstration emphasizes the importance of having a means or method to promptly rescue an individual who has sustained a fall while wearing a harness and lanyard. Studies have shown that the average time that a worker can be suspended in a harness before suffering serious physiological effects is slightly over 5 minutes. The length of time varies depending on several factors, primarily relating to the worker's physical condition. Without executing a prompt rescue, the worker could very well die. Employers tend to concentrate on pre-fall protection of workers and often overlook the importance of post-fall rescue. Emphasis should be placed on both pre- and post-fall in respect to equipment and worker training. Rescuers should be knowledgeable in this very important aspect of rescue, along with other vital safety and first aid training. With the use of the Webb Devices Rescue Pole, you can prevent the rescuer from becoming the second victim. Thank you.